I might give y'all a POV. Y'all ain't had one of those in a minute. Actually, I'm gonna give y'all a POV instead. Fuck looking at me. I'm gonna give y'all a POV. Alright. Let me go ahead and grab the tunes. POV to the gym. And I'm gonna just put all this in there. I'm not even gonna fast forward it either. But okay, let me stop talking. It's not a real POV if I'm talking.
When something happens to your car, you might say,
my car.
But what you really need to say is something that can actually help.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Just like that, State Farm is there to help you file your claim right on the State Farm mobile app. So just remember, like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
State Farm, Bloomington, Illinois.
This holiday season, Capital One reminds you to give yourself the gift of 1.5% cash back with the Capital One Quicksilver Card.
Can I earn 1.5% cash back on birds?
Birds?
What if you sent your true love 2 turtle doves plus a partridge in a pear tree?
Sure, but why would anyone want that?
The song was very convincing.
Earn 1.5% cash back on all your holiday purchases with the Capital One Quicksilver Card. What's in your wallet?
Terms apply. See CapitalOne.com for details.
I'm in got it. Rest on me, I don't need no wallet. That drink or another for face, now you don't look familiar. Fucking these hoes need condoms. When I'm back in the O, I'm Obama. We in the lobby, the hoes tryna find us. No, ayy. I got the pill in the purple rain. She listen to me, she do what I say. I'm driving real fast, tryna escape from you. The police behind me like, oh, you got a gun, but how you gon' shoot? I want the neck, baby, give me that news. She wanna just fuck me, I can't even do it. She said she fell in love with my music, baby. Gas up in my lungs. It's getting hard to breathe, this rocks. I'm out in LA with these savage. Keep it like on me when I'm on the track. I had to cut niggas off cause they was jealous. She throwing it back, baby girl, I can't handle it. Whoa, yeah. I wake up and get flowers, felt like a pelican. You got 10 rats on you, I got time 10. All these spurs on my neck from outside, bitch. They won't want for me, but I'm not hiring. Check my name on your face if you let me. She showing pictures, she keep screaming fuck. I think she a cop, she keep trying to cuff me. Give me a price, I got it. Rest on me, I don't need no wallet. Drink or another for face, now you don't look familiar. Fucking these hoes need condoms. When I'm back in the O, I'm Obama. We in the lobby, the hoes tryna find us. No, ayy. I got the pill in the purple rain. She listen to me, she do what I say. I'm driving real fast, tryna escape from you. The police behind me like, oh, you got a gun, but how you gon' shoot? I want the neck, baby, give me that news. She wanna just fuck me, I can't even do it.
She tell me my lyrics get stuck in her brain. Don't sound like the rest could be not the same. Only cause videos on a private plane. Going up in this bitch doing viral thing in front of the camera. I know that this bitch, she got stamina. Them titties, baby, call her Pamela. If I go in too deep, I might damage her. She want me dive in her back of her throat. Freaky little bitch, she don't gag, she don't choke. Pussy be one way. She one of the freakiest bitches I know. She love 1400, you know she gon' go. Keep slaying these bitches, I'm making me moan.
Give me a price, I got it. Rest on me, I don't need no one. That drink or another for face, now you don't look familiar. Fucking these hoes need condoms. When I'm back in the O.
Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. Just left the gym. Back on the road. Let's do it.
Yeah, you gotta stay down. And I got tired of LA. So you know it's better H-Town. That fun nigga play, yeah. Bet he gon' lay down. We get him right out the way. Now we don't play around. My niggas, they spinning this side and I'm blocks like a playground. Hey, these niggas, they wanna be out, cause I'm getting K now. Yeah, I'm too hard to K now. How I got rich, ain't waste time. We leave them dead, yeah, face down. Y'all know niggas gon' stay back, y'all play your part. I just put a 3 watt on my cook dart. Really in love with Cody, and that's from the heart. Really in love with the money and drugs in the cars. Yeah, in the clothes, damn, and cuffing the hoes. Yeah, that's for sure. We'll treat him like a hoe in front of his hoe. And then uphold all his bros. My niggas tryna catch souls, in case you ain't know. Heard he got hit in his neck, his chest, and fro. Out of his dome.
Should I get Panda or Chick-fil-A? Panda or Chick-fil-A? Which one? Which one y'all think? I don't know. Panda or Chick-fil-A? Yeah, I'm low-key trying for Panda, not gonna lie. But there's a car behind me, so I'm gonna go this way. Chick-fil-A might be full though, y'all. I might go to Panda. Outside wet today, y'all. I'm gonna go to Panda Express, y'all.
Thank you for choosing Panda Express. What can I get for you today?
Can I get a plate?
You play with rice or noodles.
Noodles.
Okay, and your 2 entrees.
Grilled teriyaki and orange chicken.
Okay, teriyaki and orange chicken. Anything else?
Nah.
Sorry?
No.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll return out the window. Thank you.
Thank you.
How are you?
Hey.
Any sauce?
Let me see. What sauce? Nah, no sauce. Actually, teriyaki sauce. I'm gonna need some teriyaki sauce. Teriyaki.
Teriyaki. Hey, go too.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Have a good one.
American Express has got your back with cards to fit your lifestyle. Want to unpack unbelievable experiences? Green, gold, and platinum cards are here to help. Need a little cash back? Blue Cash Every Day and Blue Cash Preferred are your go-to. Looking for some more travel perks, bonus points, or miles? That's where our partner cards with Delta and Hilton come in.
Like, you see this stuff right here? Like,
for an American Express card with no impact on your credit score. Learn more at americanexpress.com/check-4-offers. Your credit score may be impacted if you accept a card. Terms apply.
Damn, I gotta change my way. 960 on my neck. Remember my change in space. Remember back when times were hard, we prayed for better days. But now I'm getting paid. Now I'm bringing home the records, I'm feeling nothing to say. Now I made like 30 bands that just throughout the state. I cut off, now she on Instagram, she posts the pictures listening the right way. Man, ain't that a straight for better days. But now I'm getting paid. Now I'm bringing home the records, I'm feeling nothing to say. Now I made like 30 bands that just throughout the state. I cut off, now she on Instagram, she posts the pictures listening the right way. Man, ain't that
this up. I got Cody in the mouth, 40, my Glock, so low key, and I ain't nothing. On me, I ain't for nothing. I've been getting money with a nigga, I ain't nothing. Senses to the chopper and made that nigga run.
What do you desire?
Yeah, Biggie.